What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, it's me. Okay, quick little job. Dishwasher removal. We're going to take this one out. We're going to replace it with a new one. Pretty basic stuff. You want to look underneath the sink closest to the dishwasher. Let's get this light going here. And you can see the dishwasher line, and right there. It's right at the water. You're going to turn the water line off. You see that? I turned it off already. So now we have no water going into the dishwasher. Most of the dishwashers, they're screwed in underneath the countertop, all right? And I'll show you that in a minute. But down here, sometimes you can't just pull the dishwasher out to remove wires and lines. You gotta take the plate off. So I removed the plate, and under here, you can see that brass fitting? That's what's coming from the sink, cuz. So we're going to take that off. We might get a little water on the floor. I'm going to ask the customer for a nice little towel. All right? We're going to take that off. Then we're going to pull this thing out slowly. I'm going to hardwire the new one back in because we don't have a plug for it. All right? Stay tuned. Let's see what we have. I'll tell you what. For not having this thing open for about... How many years, cuz?
3.
3 years. I'll tell you, the floor's not that bad at all. It's pretty clean. All right, so I got it off. We got no water there. All right, when you're putting these on, you can see it. We got a rubber washer in there. When you got a washer, you don't wrap this with any kind of tape, okay? A lot of people are wrapping the threads up with pipe tape and everything else. You don't need that, all right, if you got the washer and any fitting. All right, so we're gonna pull this out. I can see the electric coming right through the tiled floor there, if you can see it. That's BX cable, I believe. And we're going to see how this thing is wired. And we're going to make sure we turn the power off on it. All right, so I went down. I actually worked with the customer. He was popping the breakers. I had my tester on the line here. And as soon as he hit the right one, it was down. Okay, so we got no power here. It was inside this little box. I don't know if you could see it. Sorry about that. Where the hell is it? Yeah, they have, if you know anything about dishwashers, they had it hardwired in this little box. So I'm going to take that nut off on the BX cable and the wire. I'm going to pull it out. We're going to get this out, take these wire nuts off. We're going to get this dishwasher out of here, and we're going to pop the new one in, and hopefully we got enough length here to wire the new dishwasher. So when you get the new one in, you want to check for leaks. Okay, don't tighten that thing so tight you're gonna break it. It's all plastic. And if you're wondering how I got under here, I'm half elastic man, kid. All right, listen, all kidding aside, you all right? We're gonna do some serious business now. We're gonna look for that electrical and hope we don't get electrocuted. All right, kid, stay tuned. What do we got here? What's that? That looks like a little piece of corn, kid. It didn't get popped. All right, I'm going to take that home. Might have that for a snack later, cuz. All right. We got it wired. We checked for leaks. We put the plate back on. Okay, we hooked up the drain line. Okay, we're going to pull a little slack out. We're going to get it neatened up against the back wall so they can put their stuff underneath. That's it. We turned the power on. Power came up. We're going to slide this thing back into place. And we're going to mount her up, and she's good to go. That's it. That's how you install a dishwasher, kid. Right? Right, Miami?
Got it.
You want to be in the video?
I'm good.
Okay, you're good. Good customer, though. Good repeat customer. I appreciate it. And remember one thing. Subscribe, share, and like the video. Mostly, hit that button where the little finger is, you know? That little Fonzie finger.
Like button.
That's it. Hit the button, right, kid? What do we say? Hit the button, right?
Yeah.
All right, good job. Hey, wait a minute. Everybody knows. Everybody's got to know after my videos. What do we do after my videos?
Where's Sonny?
That's it. You're right. Where's Sonny? Let's look for him. Hang on a second. Sonny? Yo, Sonny. You in the oven? Yo, we're at one of Sonny's favorite places.
Yeah, Sonny.
What do you want to do there, kid? You know Sonny, right?
Yeah.
All right, Sonny's my boy, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Sonny want a balloon?
Yeah.
A balloon.
Nah, Sonny's good, kid. He's good.
Sonny. What you doing, kid? Catch you on the next one, right?